everybody, today I want to show you how to make RGB border around your phone. Yeah, you see it has RGB on your phone. Yes, so how to do this? Let's start together. As you see, very nice. Okay, first you go to this application round line RGB. This application you can find at App Store. You go to App Store, then search round line RGB. Yes, I'm already to download. Yeah, it lining color. Yes, I'm already to download. So now I'm click open. Yeah, and you see this home, this name of my RGB, and you click this. Yeah, to find RGB that you like. So example, I like this. Yeah, if I like this, I click this one, and then I write the name WA. Yeah, again WA, and then OK, create, and you can change RGB that you like. Example, I like star. There you see star a lot. Oh, a lot. This one, oh, good. Goes smile, sun. Yeah, oh, it's very good. So animation speed. Yeah, border size, small and big. Yeah, okay, here is one. Okay, and then create. And then click this and go to home. Here you see I'm already use this. Yeah, you see it's okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys like and share, subscribe for me. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.